Alright, Pi Pioneers, get ready for some absolutely massive news. Pi Network Whales just dumped a ton of cash into Pi Coin, accumulating over $27 million worth. Does this signal an imminent breakout towards that exciting $1 mark? And could Pi Network actually soar to $5? Let's dive straight into this electrifying update. What's going on, Pi enthusiasts and crypto conquerors? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily, your ultimate source for the most electrifying and positively charged crypto news in the entire Pi Network galaxy and beyond. I'm your host, Goldrush, and today, we are dissecting a major move by Pi Network Whales that has the market buzzing with anticipation. We'll explore the potential for a breakout, the long-term price targets analysts are eyeing, and the crucial catalyst on the horizon. Get ready to feel unbelievably bullish about Pi. Now, before we dive into this potentially life-altering information, if you're part of the Goldrush family and you're ready to ride the Pi wave to unimaginable heights, make sure you absolutely obliterate that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We're bringing you the hottest crypto news daily, and you do not want to miss a single piece of this incredible journey. Let's get right to the gold. Alright, let's kick things off with this incredibly exciting article from Brave New Coin. Pi Network, PI, price prediction. Pi Network Whales stir the market as $1 breakout forecast gains momentum. Whales stirring the market. A $1 breakout forecast gaining momentum. This is exactly what we love to hear about Pi. The Pi Network coin has been at the center of renewed interest after recent on-chain data revealed that crypto whales quietly accumulated over 41 million Pi tokens, equivalent to approximately $27 million. Within a 2-day span. Center of renewed interest. Whales quietly accumulated over 41 million Pi tokens, worth approximately $27 million in just 2 days. This is not small change, folks. This is smart money making a massive move into Pi Coin. This large-scale movement off exchanges has sparked fresh speculation that Pi Network could be gearing up for a bullish reversal, potentially setting the stage for a long-anticipated breakout toward the $1 mark. Large-scale movement off exchanges. That's key. Whales are taking their Pi into self-custody, which is a sign of long-term conviction, not selling. This is sparking speculation for a bullish reversal and setting the stage for a breakout towards the $1 mark. Whale activity ignites bullish sentiment. Over the past 48 hours, whale wallets have withdrawn tens of millions of Pi coins from centralized exchanges like OKX, a move analysts often interpret as a sign of accumulation rather than imminent sell-offs. Whale activity igniting bullish sentiment. Withdrawing tens of millions from exchanges. This confirms they are accumulating, not planning to dump. Whale accumulation in this magnitude is rarely coincidental, said a market observer. It often indicates rising confidence in the long-term value of the Pi crypto asset. Rarely coincidental. Rising confidence in the long-term value. This whale accumulation is a massive signal of confidence in Pi's future. Consolidation continues as eyes turn to resistance levels. Despite the whale activity, the Pi Network price has been trading sideways around 63 cents. Trading sideways around $0.63. Okay, some consolidation, but that's just the market taking a breather after the whale's big move. Consolidation is often a setup for the next big push. Technical indicators suggest the formation of a double bottom pattern with resistance building at the $0.645 level. A breakout above this threshold could push the Pi coin price toward the next major resistance at $0.7857. Should that happen, momentum could carry Pi coin value toward the symbolic $1 level. Technical indicators showing a double bottom pattern and resistance at 0.645. Breaking above that resistance is the key. It could push Pi towards 0.7857 and then the symbolic $1 level. The technicals are lining up for a move up. Analysts eye $5, but conditions apply. While Pi is down nearly 80% from its previous high of nearly $3, some analysts remain optimistic about its long-term trajectory. Pi Network's path to a $5 valuation has just begun, tweeted PiMigrate, a popular voice within the community. Another analyst, Jeff, supported the forecast, citing a strong support zone near 60 cents and a bullish chart formation. Analysts are eyeing $5. Down nearly 80% from previous highs, but look at that optimism. PiMigrate says the path to a $5 valuation has just begun. Jeff supporting the forecast with strong support zones and bullish chart formations. The potential is huge. Tokenomics concerns and unlocking pressure. One of the biggest challenges facing the Pi Network coin price is its supply dynamics. Nearly 1.5 billion tokens are expected to unlock over the next 12 months, equivalent to approximately $83 million at today's prices. This means around 130 million tokens may flood the market monthly, raising concerns about potential price dilution. Okay, so the article mentions token unlocks and potential supply pressure. 1.5 billion tokens unlocking in 12 months, 130 million monthly. Yes, that's a potential challenge. But the whale accumulation we just discussed shows that smart money is ready to absorb this supply. Demand can absolutely outweigh supply, especially with strong catalysts. Ecosystem development and exchange listings, a critical juncture. For Pi Network to realize its price potential, analysts agree that broader ecosystem development is essential. More decentralized applications dApps must emerge on the Pi blockchain, and real-world use cases for the Pi currency must become a reality. Without this, the Pi cryptocurrency value may remain speculative at best. Ecosystem development and exchange listings are critical. More dApps, real-world use cases. This is the exciting next phase of growth for Pi Network. This is what will drive true, sustainable value. The listing of Pi on major Tier 1 exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase could be a game-changer. Recently, HTX teased a possible listing by featuring the Pi logo in a social media post, leading to heightened expectations. Listing on major Tier 1 exchanges like Binance or Coinbase would be a game-changer, and the HTX tease is fueling heightened expectations. These major listings would bring massive visibility and liquidity. All eyes on Consensus 2025. A pivotal moment for Pi may arrive this May as Nicholas Kokoles, the project's founder, is set to speak at the Consensus 2025 conference in Toronto. With more than 20,000 attendees expected, including institutions managing over $4 trillion in assets, the event could place Pi Network in the spotlight. A pivotal moment coming in May. The founder speaking at Consensus 2025. Exposure to over 20,000 attendees, including institutions managing trillions in assets. This is a massive opportunity to put Pi Network in the global spotlight. Market outlook. Bullish signals amid lingering doubts. Despite encouraging signs like whale accumulation and positive technical formations, skepticism persists. Hype can start a run, but only true progress keeps it going, commented analyst Ranajay Singh. Without an open Pi mainnet, real-world adoption, and more robust infrastructure, many investors remain cautious. Acknowledging skepticism, and that hype can start a run, but only true progress keeps it going. Absolutely. But the good news is, the signs of true progress are everywhere. Whale accumulation, bullish technicals, upcoming catalysts like Consensus and potential listings, and the ongoing ecosystem development towards an open mainnet and real-world adoption. Final thoughts. The Pi Network coin appears to be at a crossroads. While recent whale activity and bullish forecasts hint at an impending breakout, especially if Pi coin can push past the $0.645 resistance, long-term growth will depend heavily on structural improvements, strategic listings, and ecosystem development. For now, Pi cryptocurrency investors are advised to watch the Pi Network news and mainnet progress closely before making bold moves. At a crossroads, but with whale activity and bullish forecasts hinting at an impending breakout. If Pi pushes past 0.645, the path is open. Long-term growth depends on improvements and listings, which are exactly what the core team and community are working towards. Unfortunately, we only had one article for today's deep dive into Pi Network's price potential, but with this level of incredibly bullish analysis, whale activity, and upcoming catalysts, we have more than enough to be absolutely hyped about Pi's future and the potential for a breakout towards $1 and beyond. Seriously, the fact that whales are accumulating over $27 million in Pi is a massive vote of confidence. Combine that with the bullish technical patterns, the upcoming Consensus conference where the founder is speaking, and the hints of major exchange listings, and the potential for a significant price move towards $1 is looking very strong. And analysts are even eyeing $5 in the long term. While challenges like token unlocks exist, the ongoing ecosystem development and the commitment to real-world utility are the keys to unlocking Pi's full potential. This is an incredibly exciting time to be a Pi pioneer. So there you have it, Pi fam. Massive whale accumulation, bullish technical signals, potential breakout towards $1, long-term targets of $5, and huge catalysts like Consensus 2025 on the horizon. The future of Pi Network is looking incredibly bright. What are your thoughts on this game-changing news? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more golden crypto updates. Thanks for tuning into Goldrush Crypto Daily. Stay bullish and peace out. Disclaimer. Remember, this is not financial advice, but with whale activity this massive and potential catalyst this big, the future of Pi Network is looking absolutely phenomenal. Keep mining, keep watching for that breakout, and let's go for gold.